So I mentioned previously, one of my major research topics has been microplastics, and that was my undergraduate research. It's still ongoing. We have done a lot of the statistical analysis, and now we're sort of in the process of taking images, taking photography of the different bacterial compositions of each microplastic. My biggest question is, do different types of microplastics influence different microbiomes in each sort of plastic type? I have some pictures over here of some of the images that we've taken. Here is an image of a milk jug, cut up milk jug that we left out in the river for around 9 weeks. And we basically found that the edges of these microplastics all had a wide variety of different cyanobacteria. This one is a leptolimbia. This is a clump of leptolimbia. We also found that fungal communities will grow on these microplastic pieces. So this pod-like structure here sort of indicates a fungal species that we aren't really studying, but I think is still very interesting nonetheless. And so we're just interested in seeing how that develops over time, and if certain species prefer certain microplastic types, and for how long. Because as you know, summer versus winter time, different species will inhabit the microplastics in different times. So now that leads me to my current project. My master's project is focused on soils. I'm very interested in the microbiology of the soil compositions of different canopies. So I'm currently working under the George Washington Memorial Parkway. I've visited 2 sites as well as the cherry groves in front of the Washington Monument. Highly recommend checking it out, by the way, very pretty. But we're just interested in seeing, what do these microbiomes look like? These are healthy tree canopies that have been around for quite a while. We know that they are self-sustainable. They don't really need that much outside help. And so we wanted to see, okay, what do these look like? So that way we can go back, find out the critically endangered parks, and sort of develop strategies to sustain those parks and keep those canopies alive. We haven't really done a lot of the statistical analysis for this project yet. I have just finished completing my sampling for each of the different parks. So now we're going to go ahead and do the sort of bulk of the statistical analysis now, and then we will see what that story tells us.